When most people think of airplane mode, they imagine using it only during a flight. But here's the truth. This little button on your phone can do so much more than that. Today, let's look at 3 genius ways to use airplane mode that you probably didn't know. Number 1. Charge your phone faster. When you put your phone in airplane mode, it shuts off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular signals. That means your device isn't constantly searching for connections, so it uses less power while charging. If you're in a rush and need a quick battery boost, flipping on airplane mode can cut charging time noticeably. Number 2. Avoid distractions and improve focus. We live in a world of constant notifications, pings, vibrations, and alerts that can easily break your concentration. Whether you're studying, working, or just want a quiet moment, turning on airplane mode instantly silences those interruptions. No calls, no texts, no social media alerts, just pure focus. Number 3. Fix poor signal and save battery. Sometimes your phone keeps struggling to connect when you're in an area with weak reception. This drains your battery faster than you think. A quick trick is to toggle airplane mode on and then off again. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest tower, often giving you a stronger signal while saving power at the same time. So, while airplane mode was originally designed for flights, it's actually one of the most underrated features on your smartphone. From faster charging, to distraction-free focus, to fixing weak signals, it's a simple tool that can make your phone work smarter. The next time you see that little airplane icon, remember, it's not just for traveling in the sky. It's a life hack hiding in plain sight. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.